For centuries, humanity has stared up at the stars and asked the most profound question: are we alone? The universe is vast, beyond comprehension, yet definitive proof of life beyond Earth has remained an elusive dream. Until now, what if the most powerful telescope ever built just detected a shocking sign of alien life on a distant, watery world? Get ready to explore the tantalizing truth of Exoplanet K2-18b. Meet K2-18b, a fascinating exoplanet roughly 120 light-years away in the constellation Leo. It's bigger than Earth, about 8.6 times its mass, and orbits a red dwarf star within its star's habitable zone, the region where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on its surface. But it's not just any rocky world. K2-18b is believed to be a Hycean planet, meaning it's a water world with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. And what scientists have just unveiled within that atmosphere is nothing short of breathtaking. Finding actual alien life is incredibly difficult. We can't simply point a telescope and see little green beings. Instead, scientists hunt for biosignatures, chemical compounds in a planet's atmosphere that are strongly indicative of biological processes. The challenge is to identify molecules that are very unlikely to be produced by non-biological means. And even then, it's not a smoking gun, but a strong hint, requiring meticulous verification to rule out all other possibilities. This is where the detective work of astrobiology truly begins. Our ability to peer into the atmospheres of distant worlds has been revolutionized by the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. Using a technique called transit spectroscopy, JWST observes how a planet's atmosphere filters the starlight passing through it as the planet crosses in front of its star. Different elements and molecules absorb different wavelengths of light, leaving unique fingerprints that JWST can read. And what did JWST read in K2-18b's atmosphere? It confirmed the presence of methane and carbon dioxide, which are expected for such a world. But the truly astonishing part was the potential detection of a molecule called Dimethyl Sulfide, or DMS. Now, why is DMS so significant? On Earth, DMS is almost exclusively produced by living organisms, primarily marine phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms in our oceans. It's the chemical that gives the ocean its distinct sea smell. Finding it in abundance on K2-18b could be an incredibly compelling piece of the puzzle. If the detection of DMS on K2-18b is definitively confirmed, it would be the strongest evidence yet for life beyond Earth. We're not talking about a distant radio signal or a fleeting UFO sighting. We're talking about a chemical signature in an atmosphere 120 light-years away that on Earth is almost entirely biological in origin. While scientists are being incredibly cautious, emphasizing that more data is needed to rule out all non-biological explanations, this finding sends shivers down the spine. It suggests that if life emerges readily in the universe, it might thrive in conditions very different from our own. It's a potential game changer that could fundamentally alter humanity's perception of its place in the cosmos. So, has alien life been discovered on exoplanet K2-18b? While the scientific community remains cautiously optimistic and demands further verification, the potential detection of DMS by the James Webb Space Telescope is a monumental step forward in the search for life beyond Earth. K2-18b has quickly become a prime target for future observations, a shining beacon in our ongoing quest to answer that ancient, profound question: are we alone? The universe, it seems, might be far more alive than we ever dared to imagine. Do you think K2-18b is harboring alien life? What would the discovery of extraterrestrial life mean to you? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. If this cosmic revelation blew your mind, hit that like button, Subscribe to the Cosmic Cipher and ring the notification bell for more deep dives into the universe's greatest mysteries.